goes.
Okay.
I don't know why I can't go back to race 8. All right, you can see? You can see us?
Yes.
All right.
Huh.
You sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
Those might turn off mid-flight, yours.
Why get up at 5 a.m.? Why have a schedule every day? Because like life, the day is short. The average person spends 8 hours at work building someone else's dreams, then comes home, spends 6 hours watching TV. Not a moment spent on themselves or their dreams. Every man must work on 3 things every day: fitness, finance, and creativity. The trick is to turn these chores into hobbies. Hobbies still take discipline. It's easier to sleep than it is to work out. It's easier to get credit than to save. It's easier to watch than it is to read. If you're not careful, you will end up fat, broke, and stupid. I've done it before and I don't want to do it again. Getting to the standard is hard, maintaining it is easy. So 12 months from now, when asked, what's new, will you say I've improved my life, started going to the gym, fixed my finances, got out of debt, picked up a new talent or hobby? Or will you say nothing's new, I wasted another year, but I know who won The Bachelor? You see, nobody cares what you did 5 years ago, or what you did in college. All that matters is what you are doing now, and what you are doing next. Man is a flawed being, and most days we fail at our goals. Life is not about our successes, but what we do when we fail. There will always be excuses on why you did not improve your life this year. From what I've seen, most people blame it on their kids or their spouse. What a sad, shameful thing to do. When your kids ask dad, why are you fat, broke, boring, and have nothing to teach me? You may become resentful and tell them, I was too busy raising you to work on myself. But your kids and your wife always know the truth. They've seen you sit in front of the TV instead of working out in front of it. They've seen you always snacking on junk food rather than dieting. They've seen you sleeping in when they've been awake for hours. Doing nothing is a choice, and everyone knows you've chose to do nothing. Everyone gets derailed from time to time. Trust me, I know. Try not to be like me, where you're 50 pounds overweight before you start working on it again. But if you are like me, that is okay. Don't ask anyone for permission to start working on yourself. Just do it. Not everyone wants you to do better. But know a rising tide raises all ships. As you improve one part of your life, everything else will start to get better. Life is all about momentum, and we've known it for a long time. In the Bible, Matthew 25:29, Jesus said, to him who has everything, more will be given. But to him who has not, everything will be taken away. The worse you let one thing get in your life, the worse everything in your life will get. But once it starts moving in the right direction, everything will start to snowball and get better. That's called momentum. Momentum is a lot like life. You get to pick the direction. Make it a good one.
Woo! It's a little shaky.
That's cool.
Thank you.
That's very cool.
I just wanted to show it to you once. Let me see. The off switch for that. It's somewhere in there. There it is. Set battery is some sort of mark.